showing you what I did so far. So we have the Trello here. So the Trello is, instead of I told you guys we're gonna do Asana. Instead of the Asana, we're doing the Trello. It's a lot simpler. So I'm gonna be adding all the tasks here, and then all you're doing. So let's say build home page or something like that. That's very general. But let's say this will be a card, and it will have more description, all that stuff. I'll add more. Once you're done with it, once you're working on it, you move it here. Once you're done, you move it here. If there's any blocker, you put it here. And then you add what the reason why it's blocked. So you edit, and you add a comment. I think you could edit some label or something like that. And then you could do that. So that would be our process. But let's archive this. So that would be our process. So I'll add a lot of things here, and then if we can have a meeting today, I will see what I can do. Hopefully we'll have a meeting. If not, we can meet tomorrow. And then the organization, the GitHub organization, there's two versions. There's the front end and the back end. The back end is the one I'm going to be working on. You guys are going to be working on the front end. So the front end, we're going to be adding the project structure here. So it's going to have the index.html, the other pages, all that stuff. Do not clone this one. So do not fork it. Just clone it to your repository. To your computer. So hopefully it was this one. So yeah, so copy this and put it in your computer. So we're going to be working from this repository. So every time you want to make changes, you have to send a pull request to this project. So that's and then you have to wait for that pull request to be approved. So you could post it on the Slack and say, I finished this, and can you approve it? So I can look at it and we can approve it. Sometimes there's going to be some conflicts, and we'll resolve that together. So I'll message you guys maybe in an hour or so if we're going to meet today or not. Otherwise, we're going to be meeting tomorrow, and then we're going to create the file structures and all that stuff. And also, I'm still working on the UI design. So I'm going to be modifying it so that it makes sense. So we'll see. And then also, we need a logo. We need pictures. I'm working on all that stuff. And then the backend is going to be my last one I'm going to be working on. So it's going to have the API and all that stuff you guys need, and we'll see how that goes. So let me know if you have any questions. I will be updating you guys as soon as I can.